whole video exists to tell you that you don't need to be on social media to make money online. You don't need to have an Instagram page. You don't need to have a YouTube channel. This is what you can do. Hi, rich friend. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I have 9 genius ways that you can make money with digital products. Now, everyone and their mamas are talking about digital products and how digital products can be monetized, but nobody's actually telling you the different strategies that people use. So when you hear people say things like, oh, I'm making $10,000 a month from digital products, usually it's a scam. Usually it's not true. But for the people who actually make that much money, there are very specific strategies that get people there. And results would vary, right? If you try different strategies that you learn on the internet, you might make $1,000 a month, you might make $5,000 a month. It depends on how much you execute and how well you position yourself. So this is not some kind of get rich quick scheme, but if you're serious about making money on the internet, then girl, my team and I have done the work for you. We've done the research. We've put these 9 strategies together. So get comfortable and get ready to learn because this is a really juicy one. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I'm Vanessa. I'm an ex-corporate finance girly turned certified financial educator. And on this channel, I help women like you get to the bag. We cover everything from side hustle ideas for women, how to make money online as a woman, how to invest, how to save, everything. If it's about money, we're going to talk about it on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and let's get into it. So today I have 9 ideas for you, but I'm not going to hold you. Number 9 is my personal favorite one because it's a new industry, it's a new opportunity, and the girls who get it are the girls who get to the biggest bag. But all the other ones are great. So if you don't want to miss the best part, make sure you watch this video all the way to the very end. Number 1, the first way that your faves make a lot of money from digital products is by licensing out their digital products to other creators. So in the form of licenses to resell or through affiliate links. A good example of someone who has done this, and I've actually made money from her affiliate program before, is a woman called Terry Igioma. Now, she has a course teaching people how to invest in the stock market while they travel, right? But here's the thing. A lot of people think that when they create a digital product, like a course or a PDF or a template or whatever, that they have to have the audience ready. Like they have to have many Instagram followers, they have to have many people on TikTok or YouTube, and that is just not true. It is possible to get your digital product in the eyes of an audience by simply finding people who already have followers. So for example, if you're someone who is a certified financial planner or a real estate agent or something finance related, and you have a digital product and you're thinking, oh, I don't have an audience, I just have the knowledge and I've created this digital product using Canva and using ChatGPT or using different tools to come up with a digital product, but you don't have an audience to sell it to. You can reach out to someone like me or anyone at all who has a platform that talks about money or finance. That way, when you see that they already have an audience who's interested in your digital products, then you and them can split. So you can say, hey, my course actually sells for $1,000, but if you promote it to your audience, then you can keep $500 and I will keep $500. That's how it typically works. So if you're a pediatrician or a postpartum nurse, for example, and you want to reach pregnant moms or moms who have just had babies and you have a valuable resource for them, maybe in the form of a PDF or in the form of a course, but you just don't know how to do this content thing. You don't have followers, you don't have a camera, whatever reason, you don't show up online, right? And you don't have your own audience. You can look up someone like Mama Dini. I love her. Shout out to her. She makes great content for moms, but you can find a page like hers, reach out to her, have a conversation with her, and tell her how much your digital product costs and how much you're willing to split with her to get your digital products in front of her audience. So that is one way that you can make money with digital products if you don't have an audience online. Number 2, the second way that you can make money with digital products is one of my favorite ways. And honestly, this one is like a secret. Like your faves do it, even big companies, big organizations do it too, but nobody's going to tell you the way I'm going to tell you. It is called the bundle and upsell strategy, okay? And here's exactly how it works. Now, for a lot of people, there's a lot of skepticism about buying things online, especially things like digital products. Now, I'm guessing that you are a credible person. You actually have value to deliver to people, right? That's why you want to create a digital product. So if you know a lot about something, say maybe you know a lot about natural hair, or you know a lot about nails or babies or taking care of moms or whatever it is that you know because of your line of work or because of your life experience, it really doesn't matter. You can literally teach other people how you run a home. Like you can have a homemaking course or a marriage course or a friendship course. There's so many problems to solve in the world. So you just need to pick one that you feel that you can solve based on your experience, whether life experiences or professional experiences, just based on your actual experiences. Now, when you decide what niche you want to create value in, here's what you need to do. Make 2 digital products about that thing. The first digital product shouldn't take you more than 3 hours. Make it a PDF, a Word document, or something simple, a couple of pages, maybe 8 pages long. Then the second digital product can be like a course or a masterclass, maybe a 1-hour masterclass. Use Canva to create your slides and talk for 1 hour, teaching people how to do something specific. Now, here's what you're gonna do, okay? You're going to price the simpler digital product as a low ticket item, meaning an item that is less than $30. You want to price it at a point where it's a no-brainer to buy it. People won't think too hard. People are just like, yeah, I mean, it just costs as much as my Chipotle meal, or it costs as much as a cup of coffee. That's fine. Sure, I'll buy it, right? So you want to price the smaller item for a smaller price. However, at the point of checkout, when people are about to buy your small price item, you can upsell them. You can then show them the higher priced item, but you can only use this strategy if you have your own website. So if you don't have your own website yet, girl, what are you doing? I've been talking about the importance of showing up online for a long time. And yes, I can listen to you if you tell me you don't want to have a YouTube channel, you don't want to have an Instagram page, but a website, girl, a website is not you being on social media. You don't even have to put your face on the website. It just has to be a website that people can find easily. And if you don't have social media pages, a way that you can get people to find your website easily is through something called search engine optimization, okay? And if that sounded like a mouthful, I'll break it down to you. People search for things online by using words, right? And so websites that have some specific words that are searched often usually come up more than other websites. Do you know what I'm saying? So if you want people to find your website and therefore find your digital products to buy from you, then you want to make sure that you have a word or multiple words in your website that are easily searchable, that people search for often. And one of those words is online. People are constantly searching the word online. Online is a word that's searched millions of times on the internet. So imagine how easy it would be for people to find your website if you have the word online in your domain extension. So when you purchase your domain name, you can have your domain name end with .online. And yes, it is possible. My team and I made sure it was possible before I made this video. So if you go to www.get.online, you can purchase a domain name using the .online extension. And even though it's already affordable, one thing that we try to do on this channel is make sure that anything that I share with you, any resource that I bring to you, I'm also able to secure discounts for you. So if you use the word launch at checkout, you will get a discount on your .online domain purchase. So I'm going to link it down in the description box and in the comment section. If you're ready to start getting to the bag with digital products, then maybe purchase a domain name with the .online extension. Number 3, I love this way, and this one definitely falls under the category of genius. Why? Because who thinks about doing this? But hear me out. I'm about to blow your mind a little bit. Now, when we think about digital products, we think about information, right? We're putting information on a document or in a video, and we're sharing that document or video with people who have the money and have the need and would buy the digital products. Now, another way that you can increase your income from each digital product that you sell is by putting affiliate links within your digital products. So for example, if you make a fashion digital product teaching people how to create capsule wardrobes, maybe because you're a stylist or you're just a stylish babe, right? And you have the answers, you know something we don't know. When you create that document, don't just give information. Also put affiliate links to your Amazon storefront, to shopping websites that have affiliate links. You can go to cj.com to find affiliate links. Fill it up with affiliate links so when people learn from you, they can also click the links and make purchases as they're learning. That way, you're delivering value. You get to the bag when they buy the product, and you also get to the bag when they use your affiliate links. You are welcome, girl. Let's move on to point number 4. The fourth genius way that you can make money with digital products is by selling on a marketplace. Now, make sure you watch this video. Make sure you don't miss this video. So after watching this video, make sure you watch this one and start getting to the bag with a marketplace. Number 5. Number 5 serves the jewelry industry. Now, I don't know if you've been under a rock, but the girls are getting to the jewelry bag on TikTok. But it's getting really competitive because a lot of people now know that there's a lot of money in this industry, and so the competition is getting really fierce. And one of the ways that people are able to stand out is by offering special packaging. But imagine a small business owner who runs a jewelry business thinking about making the jewelry, thinking about sending it out to customers, thinking about packaging as well. That is too much. So usually they pay other people to work on their packaging, and that is where your digital product idea comes in. You can literally make a bundle of earring cards. So basically cards like this, where you could put a face, and then the jewelry sellers can put the earrings right on the face, and it looks attractive, it looks pretty, it would sell well on Instagram or TikTok, but they don't have to do the designs themselves because you have done it and you have sold it to them as a digital product. It's a real need, solving the real problem of business owners, and so it will make money. Number 6 is to create a membership or digital vault. And if you're like, Vanessa, what does that even mean? Baby, calm down. I got you. Okay? If you have so much information to give, like you are just loaded with information, you want to share it with the world, you want to do all the things, like you want to have videos, but you also want to have templates, but you also want to have PDFs, you can't choose which one to do, then you might want to create a vault. I have a friend, Tim Armu. I even shot a podcast episode with him. Shout out to Tim. He sold his company for millions of pounds. And because he did that, he has become very attractive. Like people listen to him when he talks about business, and he talks a lot about starting a business that you can actually sell. And because of that, he has decided to put all of the knowledge he has about hiring, about marketing, about leading a team, about products. He's put all of that information into something called a digital vault. So you can use a tool like Circle.io or Mighty Network for this type of digital product. So basically, it's multiple digital products sold as a membership. And this is great for recurring income because people who sign up to learn from you would keep paying you every single month to get access to this digital vault. Number 7 is to create Airtable workspaces for small businesses. Now, again, if you solve the problem of business owners, they're usually willing and able to spend on their businesses because businesses make money, so they're okay with having business expenses. So when you position yourself to solve a business owner's problems, you can get to the bag. So if you're someone who's very organized, you're good with Airtable or Notion, you can create Notion templates specifically for an industry. So for example, you can create Notion templates for dental practices and pitch yourself to dentists who own dental practices. You can pitch yourself on LinkedIn, you can pitch yourself on Instagram. They would pay attention to you. You show them your Notion templates for sale, tell them that you created to be tailored specifically for their practices, and they will be willing to pay because they have the money, they have the problem, and you are offering a solution. And number 8 is to create and sell content as a service through something called UGC, aka user-generated content. Now, if you are someone who uses products and you've used the product and you like the product, you can create content around the product. I'm not telling you to be a social media influencer. You don't even need to have any followers to do this. But if you're able to create good-looking content for brands, so maybe makeup brands that you love, fashion brands that you love, you can make the content and send it to the brands and offer to give them the content for them to post on their pages in exchange for payment. content. And a lot of companies now see the value of user-generated content and they have budgets for it. I talked about UGC a couple of years ago. It was brand new then. It's not brand new now, but it is still a way that people are getting to the bag. So if you haven't done this, you can. And number nine is to create and sell AI-generated art online. You can actually create some incredible art pieces using a tool like Midjourney or other new tools. There's different AI tools that keep coming up on the market. If you want me to make a full video about this, let me know down in the comment section because AI is taking over everything and that is where the real money is. I shared all of these 8 points and they're great, they're cool, but if you want to get to some of the biggest bags, especially in 2025, then you need to be tapping into AI money. So if you want me to make a whole video about making money with AI, then type AI money down in the comment section and I would be sure to create a full video about that for you. Now, if you're stuck at a job that you're tired of, I want you to know that you have options and I would keep showing up week in and week out until you realize that there are other ways to make money. Remember that I'm rooting for you, so please do not stop rooting for yourself. And until next time, please take care.